The relationship between humans and dogs is one of the oldest and most profound bonds in history. This connection has shaped not only our social and emotional lives, but has also had a deep impact on our relationship with nature. Dog breeds, developed over centuries for various purposes, have influenced the way we interact with the natural world, from hunting and herding to providing companionship and protection. The traits and characteristics of different dog breeds have shaped how we approach the outdoors, interact with wildlife, and even manage the ecosystems around us. This essay delves into how dog breeds have influenced the relationship between humans and nature, exploring the roles they have played throughout history, their impact on our activities in the natural world, and how they continue to shape our interaction with the environment today. But first, a brief intermission to remind you to sign up today to become a premium member of the Top 5 channel for exclusive content and bonus perks. And now back to our programming. Historically, dogs have been integral to human survival, and their role in hunting is one of the most direct ways in which dog breeds have influenced our relationship with nature. Early humans domesticated wild dogs for their hunting abilities, recognizing that these animals could track, flush, and retrieve game in ways that humans could not. Dogs, particularly hunting breeds like the Cat, Labrador Retriever, German Pointer, and Hyeing Coonhound, were bred for specific tasks that helped humans secure food. Retrievers, for example, would fetch game birds that had been shot down, while pointers and setters would locate game and indicate their position to hunters. These dogs have always had a profound connection with nature, as they work directly with the environment to locate and bring back food. In addition to their hunting skills, dogs also played a crucial role in herding. Breeds like the Merton Border Collie, Australian Shepherd, and Shetland Sheepdog were developed to help humans manage livestock. These herding dogs work alongside humans to move flocks of sheep or herds of cattle across vast open lands, often in challenging terrain. Their ability to communicate with the animals, navigate difficult landscapes, and follow commands has made them indispensable in agricultural and rural settings. The bond between herding dogs and humans is a testament to how humans have relied on dogs to interact with and manage nature's resources. These dogs are not only tools, but are also partners in the careful stewardship of the land and its animals. The development of cat guard dogs has also had a significant impact on human interaction with nature. Breeds like the German Shepherd and Rottweiler and one Doberman Pinscher were initially bred to protect property and livestock. These dogs are instinctively protective, often serving as guardians for both humans and their natural resources. Their presence has allowed humans to live and work in environments where they might otherwise be vulnerable to predators or theft. For example, livestock guardian dogs help protect sheep, goats, and cattle from predators like wolves, coyotes, and bears. These dogs play a critical role in maintaining the delicate balance between humans, animals, and nature. Their protective instincts have allowed humans to expand into more rural and wild areas, where other animals may pose a threat, without the same level of fear. Beyond practical applications, dog breeds have also influenced the emotional and spiritual connection humans have with nature. Many people see their dogs as companions on outdoor adventures, and certain dog breeds are especially suited for these roles. Breeds like the Qing Siberian Husky, Alaskan Malamute, and He Samoyed are closely associated with wilderness exploration, particularly in cold climates. These breeds have been used historically for pulling sleds, working in harsh conditions, and surviving in rugged, isolated environments. The bond between these dogs and their owners is often more than just functional. It is deeply emotional, as many of these dogs serve as trusted companions during adventures into the natural world. The companionship provided by these breeds allows humans to experience nature in a more intimate and enjoyable way. Whether it is hiking through mountains, exploring the tundra, or simply walking through the woods, these dogs have allowed people to deepen their connection to the outdoors. In modern society, dogs continue to influence our relationship with nature by providing a sense of connection to the environment, especially for those living in urban areas. While many people no longer rely on dogs for hunting or herding, the love of the outdoors has not diminished. Urban dwellers often keep dogs to enjoy regular walks, runs, and trips to parks. To city dogs, such as the French Bulldog, Dachshund, and Shun Shih Tzu, may not have the working history of their larger counterparts, but they provide their owners with a reason to venture outside and enjoy green spaces in otherwise busy, concrete-filled environments. This simple yet important role helps foster an appreciation of the natural world, even in areas far removed from wilderness or rural lands. Having a dog encourages regular exposure to the outdoors, whether it's a leisurely walk in the park or a more vigorous hike in nature reserves. Dogs also play an increasingly important role in Mahan conservation efforts. As awareness grows about the fragility of our natural environment, dogs are being used in innovative ways to help protect wildlife and ecosystems. One of the most notable uses of dogs in conservation is in the detection of invasive species, animal tracks, and poaching activities. For example, conservationists use dogs to track endangered species, detect poaching activity, and even locate nests of rare animals like sea turtles. The kid Australian conservation dogs are trained to find rare and endangered plants, while the Yarkon canine conservationists work alongside wildlife experts to locate animal scat in difficult-to-reach areas, helping researchers monitor populations of endangered species. These dogs help researchers gather critical data without disturbing wildlife habitats, making them an invaluable tool in the fight to protect biodiversity. Another important way in which dogs influence the relationship between humans and nature is through their role in environmental monitoring and research. For instance, some dogs have been trained to detect environmental hazards, such as toxic waste or pollutants in water and soil. Their keen sense of smell allows them to identify contamination and pollution in ways that human methods cannot always achieve. This helps monitor ecosystems, water bodies, and forests for potential environmental threats, enabling better management and conservation strategies. Dogs have also been trained to detect climate change indicators, such as finding rare species whose populations are declining due to shifting temperatures. The use of dogs in environmental research highlights how their natural abilities can contribute to a greater understanding of how human activity impacts the environment. In addition to their functional roles, dogs can also inspire environmental stewardship in their owners. The bond that people form with their dogs often leads to a deeper appreciation for the natural world. Dog owners who spend time outdoors with their pets are more likely to care about preserving natural spaces, whether it's through supporting wildlife conservation efforts, practicing responsible pet ownership, or engaging in outdoor activities that promote environmental awareness. As people become more conscious of their impact on the planet, dogs often serve as a reminder to reconnect with nature and appreciate its beauty. The simple act of taking a dog for a walk in the park or hiking through the woods fosters a greater sense of environmental responsibility and awareness. Furthermore, dog breeds themselves often have a unique relationship with specific ecosystems. For example, water dogs, like the Wuck Labrador Retriever or Newfoundland, were historically bred to assist in retrieving game from water, making them especially attuned to aquatic ecosystems. Their affinity for water and swimming helps foster a connection to this particular aspect of nature. Similarly, mountain breeds, like the Bernese Mountain Dog and St. Bernard, are intimately linked to alpine environments, where they helped with tasks like herding livestock and rescuing stranded travelers. These dogs are highly adapted to cold and mountainous environments, symbolizing humanity's long relationship with diverse natural habitats and how different dog breeds reflect the environments from which they originated. While some dog breeds have historical or functional ties to specific ecosystems, all dogs contribute to fostering a broader appreciation of nature. Whether it's through hiking in the wilderness, participating in outdoor sports, or simply enjoying the companionship of a dog during a walk, dogs create a bridge between humans and the natural world. Their presence encourages outdoor exploration, environmental responsibility, and a deeper connection to the Earth's ecosystems. Dogs also provide us with a reminder of the interconnectedness between living beings and the environment, how animals, humans, and nature are intricately linked in the web of life. In conclusion, dogs play a pivotal role in shaping the relationship between humans and nature. Their historical roles in hunting, herding, guarding, and exploring have facilitated our connection with the natural world, and their contributions continue today in conservation, environmental research, and outdoor activities. From the loyal retriever in the field to the agile herder on the ranch, dogs help us engage with nature in meaningful ways, providing both functional benefits and emotional connections. Through their keen instincts, hardworking nature, and unwavering loyalty, dogs have not only influenced how we interact with nature, but also enriched our lives by deepening our bond with the environment. Whether they are working dogs, pets, or companions in outdoor adventures, dogs remain an essential part of our relationship with the natural world. Thanks for watching.